Hey, folks, my name is Gareth Soloway from InTheMoneyStocks.com, and this is Traders Talk. So today, folks, what I want to do is talk a little bit about what's going on in the markets. Obviously, it is very, very volatile out there, but I think it's important to understand that the Fed, everyone said, don't fight the Fed on the way up. Well, technically now they're taking all the money away that they pumped on the way up. And that means don't fight the Fed on the way down. So you have to understand this is a very volatile market. It is more of a trader's market. And you have to ultimately think the markets will go lower from where they are. All right. Again, it's just a simple dollars and cents type situation. We're going to see the markets continuing to come down because the money is being removed from the system as the Fed fights inflation. This is the S&P 500 chart. And what I want to show you guys is this point right here. This is where I think the markets are going to probably, honestly, in the next 6 to 12 months. So probably by year end, we have a decent shot of being here. And now it's a long way away, folks. We're talking about probably another 20% downside move on the S&P, maybe a little bit less. But the reason I'm picking this point is that it was the pre-COVID high. So this was the big dip on COVID. This was the big reversal. And then this is where all the money printing, the stimulus from the government, the printing, the sending out of checks to Americans. This is where we saw the Federal Reserve pumping unprecedented amounts of money into the system. And this is really what caused the massive surge in inflation. Well, now guess what? We're starting to see the Fed removing that, raising rates, reducing their balance sheet. And that's going to draw the markets at minimum back to this level, which was the pre-COVID highs. So you have to think that, again, it's not going to happen overnight. We're going to have bounces in the market. We're going to have big bounces. But ultimately, I expect the markets to go back to this level. This equates to about 3,800 to 3,700 on the S&P 500. So it is still significantly lower. Have a wonderful day. Again, this is Gareth Soloway for Trader Talk.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.